What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name's Kat, and every week I show all of you watching where to go in Toronto for different things, whatever I'm curious about that week. This week it's a gloomy, kind of gray day in the city, so I'm doing an aesthetic rainy day vlog. I hope you like it. I hope it makes you feel warm inside and inspires you to check out a cozy coffee shop. I don't know why I'm doing this so much today. I guess this is like what cozy is, but I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy, and let's go start the cozy vibes. So after I went to Cafe or Istanbul Cafe, the weather kind of got a bit better. So I was like, today's the day. I'm just gonna buy it. You know, I'm just gonna go to Urban Outfitters. So I did. And now I just got home. I did a little bit of grocery shopping too because the weather was good. So I got some stuff. I'm gonna stock up my house. I don't know if you guys want to see it. Sometimes people like seeing that kind of stuff in vlogs, like hauls of like random stuff, so I'm gonna show you. So I already showed you what I got at Urban Outfitters. I got just this hat and this black shirt, which is super cute. I really like baby doll tees. I got from Winners, which I went to too. I got some bath salts and the like a shower gel. I think like cozy or cold days like this kind of make for like the perfect cozy like bubble bath nights. So that's the plan, with some healthy gummy bears, of course. And then, so I bought fruits and veg, like I make a lot of salmon and salads and smoothies, so, and like matcha lattes. So that's mostly what I eat. Salad stuff, salmon stuff, granola stuff, which I know this has lots of sugar, but it's kind of my vice. Is zucchero, sugar. Some raspberries, frambuesas. I know it's kind of weird that like I'm like translating my groceries, but to be honest, it really just depends on the day. Like some days I think in French, some days I just think in like 2 or 3 languages, other days I'm like all over the place. But yeah, so raspberries, framboise, and butter. So yeah, I don't know if that's, I was thinking of maybe like, do you guys want to see language content from me? I know a lot of you are interested in learning another language. Most days of the week I have language students, so I'm always talking to them and helping them learn a new language. And I do love doing it, and it's actually something I'm so comfortable with that I feel like I have a lot to share just because I've been doing it for so long. And people for some reason have this idea that learning a language is so hard. Whether or not you knew this, you know, like I am a polyglot. I've always been one, which is kind of, I guess, unique. Like I've always grown up speaking multiple languages, so for me it's not weird. It's like I actually don't know what it's like to not do that, and for the longest time I didn't know that that was cool, or like that was something of note, because my sibling, like my brother, is the exact same as me, so it wasn't like a big deal. It wasn't like oh, like you speak so many languages. Like literally my brother does the same thing, and like for us it's just normal. Like, that's how we are. So yeah, I don't know if you guys want to see more of that side of me, let me know. In the meantime, yeah, I'm just on my health kick. So oat milk, even though apparently it's bad for you now. Comment down below if you actually know. But yeah, so the plan is make dinner, have a cozy night in, have a bubble bath, watch a movie, kind of take care of myself, self-care. I think easily slips by, but it's important to me anyway. So yeah, let me know in the comments, do you guys want to see more language content from me? Because you're interested in learning another language? What did you like about today's vlog? Do you even like a vlog? Like, I want to make stuff that you guys actually like watching. Like, if you guys are like, don't show me your raspberries, like that's boring, tell me, because then I won't, right? Like, I don't want to bore you guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for being here with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!